In the month of November, there are plenty of vegetables that you can grow in your garden or on your farm. These vegetables will not only give you a fresh and healthy harvest, but they can also add vibrancy and flavor to your meals. So, let's take a look at 15 vegetables you can consider planting in November. 1. Carrots. Carrots are a popular root vegetable that can be grown in November. They are rich in vitamins and add crunchiness to salads and other dishes. 2. Radishes. Radishes are quick-growing vegetables that can be ready to harvest within a few weeks. They come in various colors and have a crispy texture with a slightly spicy flavor. 3. Spinach. Spinach is a nutritious leafy green vegetable that grows well in November. It is packed with iron and can be used in salads, stir-fries, or as a side dish. 4. Lettuce. Lettuce is another leafy green that can be grown in November. It is a staple for salads and sandwiches and comes in different varieties like romaine, butterhead, and iceberg. 5. Mustard greens. Mustard greens are a versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes. They have a slightly bitter taste and are rich in essential nutrients. 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a cool season vegetable that can be grown in November. It is a cruciferous vegetable and can be eaten raw, steamed, roasted, or added to dishes like curries. 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritious vegetable that can also be grown in November. It is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber and can be added to stir-fries, soups, or eaten on its own. 8. Cabbage. Cabbage is a hardy vegetable that grows well in cooler months. It is a versatile vegetable that can be used in dishes like coleslaw, stir-fries, and soups. 9. Peas. Peas are a popular vegetable that can be planted in November. They are sweet and tender when harvested at the right time and can be used in various dishes like stir-fries, salads, or as a side dish. 10. Potatoes. Potatoes can also be grown in November. They are a staple food and can be used in a variety of recipes, such as mashed potatoes, fries, or roasted potatoes. 11. Beets. Beets are root vegetables that can be grown in November. They are packed with nutrients and can be used in salads, roasted, or pickled. 12. Onions. Onions are a staple ingredient in many dishes and can be grown in November. They add flavor and depth to recipes and can be stored for a long time. 13. Garlic. Garlic is another allium vegetable that can be planted in November. It has a pungent flavor and is used in a wide range of dishes for its health benefits and taste. 14. Turnips. Turnips are root vegetables that can be grown in November. They have a mild and sweet taste and can be used in soups, stews, or roasted. 15. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are a cold hardy vegetable that can be grown in November. They are small, cabbage-like vegetables that are delicious when roasted or sautéed. So, whether you have a backyard garden or a small plot of land, these 15 vegetables can be a great choice to grow in November. They not only provide you with fresh produce but also allow you to enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own food.